channel. I know that you probably don't even remember me because it's been so long since I've been here, but my name is Daniela for those who are new or don't remember who I am, and I make YouTube videos, makeup videos. So yeah, for this makeup tutorial I bring you guys this boy beat makeup look. For those who don't know what the boy beat is, it's basically a no makeup look, but the difference is that the no makeup look is to look flawless and beautiful, but to give the appearance that you're not wearing anything on your skin, whereas the boy beat is more like to enhance your imperfections and your flaws, and like you don't even have to conceal your under eyes. And this is called like this by Beyonce's makeup artist. This makeup look is used on photo shoots or videos and things like that. I was very inspired by a supernatural makeup look because I've been listening a lot to Rosalia. She's a Spanish singer, and she has always these very natural, beautiful makeup looks. So I decided to come up with this. It's again super natural, super imperfect. Anyone can achieve this look. So if you want to know how to get this natural, super natural makeup look, the boy beat, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm taking this compact powder. If you've watched my videos, you know that I like supporting my local economy, so this is a Mexican product. But if you don't have this, you can use any compact powder that is your skin tone. I'm not using foundation because that's like super high coverage, and for this look I don't want that. Besides, I would have to set it with powder, and that's just too much product for this look. So I'm just taking this Ultra Fix powder by G&K in the number 002, and I'm just will be applying, oh, eyelash. I'll just apply that all over my face, and I'm doing this just because I want my face to have like the same color, but this is not like super high coverage, so you can still see like some spots and stuff. And as I have combination skin, like during the summer I get really oily, so a powder is a good option. If you have like dry skin, you could use like, I don't know, maybe a tinted moisturizer or something like that. So yeah. Okay, that's it for the powder, and as you can see I didn't even apply it on my under eyes. Like this look is really about, I mean, I've seen some people doing like even eyeshadow under the eye just to make it look like they have like really bad dark circles. So I mean, but I'm not into that really, so I'm just not applying any concealer or anything to my under eyes. I'm just keeping it like just super simple. I mean, like the dark circle is already there. So for blush, I'm taking this really natural matte blush, and I'm just applying very little of this, and I'm going to smile for this because it's more natural. Besides, I have a square face shape, so I really want to apply it on my apples. And that's it for the blush. So I will be applying some bronzer. I'm taking the shade Mocha from my Prolux palette, highlight and contour palette, and as you can see I really like this one. So yeah, I'm just going to take a little of that bronzer. I'll just apply it like for brows. Let me find my brow brush. Here. So this look is all about really bushy and full eyebrows, which I don't have. So I'm just going to brush them first with spoolie. Like my brow hairs are super thin, so I'm taking the angle brush and I will just like give some color to them, but I'm not being super precise because this look is really natural and messy. So I've seen people that even like draw hairs under the brow, so it looks like they haven't plucked any of the brow and it's like super natural looking, but I'm not doing that. I just don't want to look my brows super wide, so this is why I'm going with this eyeshadow. It's just a brown eyeshadow, but you can see the difference, so like that. And then I'll take a clear mascara. This is not clear anymore, but it was like crystal clear, but I've used it so much. But any crystal clear mascara will do, and I will just brush all the hairs upwards. So I'm taking the clear mascara and I will just start brushing upwards my brow hairs. Like you really want your brows to look like super messy and bushy, so just brush them upwards. Do you see the difference with that brow? I don't even know if I'm focused right now, but that's the look you want to achieve. If your brow hairs aren't that long, you can draw them. That's my cat. As you can see, I mean, not really for the light because it's like super bright right now, but I have a little pigmentation on my eyelids. Like some people even think that I have eyeshadow sometimes and I don't, so I'm not really applying any to my brows, to my lids. Maybe just a little bronzer, but you don't really need anything. But if you're applying eyeshadow, you want to start from the lash line upwards to the crease and then diffusing it. The brow is a mess. I always struggle with my left brow, like I don't know why. Now I'll curl my eyelashes, but I will just give one push with the highlight curler. Like, I'm not sustaining it like I usually would do it. Like, I just want them to have just like that, just one push. And then I will go with my mascara. This is by Apple, you know, again, my Mexican products. Um, but I will just apply just a tiny amount of mascara. For the lips, you don't really want to apply anything, but I'll take this Clarins lip oil. This is the Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil in the shade Red Berry. It looks like super red, but it is not red. It just gives that kind of like a reddish tint to it. So I'm not even applying that much because it's like super glossy. As you can see, it's just like a healthy red. So yeah, that's it for this makeup look. It's super easy, really. It doesn't require a lot of effort, so this can easily be an everyday makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, or let me know what you think in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching.